¿Qué pasa, familia de dinero? I am your host, Champion El Dinero, a truck driver on a detour towards wealth, and I hope that you join me on this journey. I am not a crystal ball, though I'm bald, and I'm also not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, in order to keep track of the stock and also, the news that are later on revealed. So we have quite a bit to talk about here. We have MicroCloud releasing out their unaudited pretty much earnings. We also got to go over MicroCloud Hologram, what the heck happened today, all that and more coming up. But of course, I got to give my introduction and a huge appreciation to you that clicked on the video. Thank you so much. Returning subscribers, shout out to you. Thank you. You're looking fantastic today, as well as anybody new. You're looking fantastic too, and I hope that you join our familia here. On top of that, I do want to go ahead and shout out a few people on the Discord that's been chatting. We got Username, we got Captain Doggo, we have I do apologize, Yoda. Please let me know how to properly say your name as well if you're watching, because man, it's killing me, like in a voice note or something, because it's killing me. You're huge thank you so much. So we're gonna be jumping into that. We also got comments, so join the Discord. It's totally free. I ain't doing anything yet. Once we build up a substantial amount of value, a lot of people that are building on this platform, of course I'm going to put a paywall on it, but right now we're building. No reason to put a price tag onto it. So we got comments. If you want to be a part of the commentary, make sure to leave one down below, and that is going to help everybody and beneficial for everyone. So we also have Yakov Harris, stock ATCH about to pop. I actually bought a little bit just in order to keep track of the stock, and it looks very interesting. I think I got in at a fantastic entrance point, but it's right now hovering at a certain level. We'll see how it does in pre-market. So shout out to you, Yakov. I appreciate you. Sarah Buckland, please, when is the share consolidation start if RS is announced by the 27th? Give me 1 second. So when I'm gaining by what you mean by consolidation, I believe your question is, when is it going to happen, the 20-for-1 split? Pretty much, my belief is, if you're asking when it will happen, a lot of people believe that's going to be October 4th or October 3rd for us. Or it could happen the same day. I'm not too sure. That, to me, that's a low probability, around 15%, but we'll see. And actually the consolidation, or excuse me, the voting happens on the 26th for us, the 27th for them. So just to let you aware, I'm not too sure about conference calls. I don't think there's a conference call that we can join or anything like that. Again, MicroCloud Hologram has been very, very secretive for reasons we don't know yet. So let's go ahead and jump into the next comment. We have Todd. Shout out to you, just here to help the algorithm and support, since I don't have any stock in MicroCloud. Let's go, champ. Hey, shout out to you. Thank you so much. I truly believe it. I truly appreciate it and believe that we're growing a fantastic community here, and I like it. I do read other penny stock channels, and it's different, but I like what we're building here, and I appreciate you guys, and stay safe out there. On top of that, we're going to go ahead and dive into MicroCloud, the news, the earnings, as I mentioned, because it has came out and it's unaudited. So, take it for what you want. It's not staple proof or anything like that. But what we have here is MicroCloud Inc. shows robust financial growth. This is by Tip Ranks, came out today at 9:28 this morning. MicroCloud Inc. unaudited interim condensed consolidation balance sheets reveal a significant increase in total assets from RMB 410,520,259 RMB on December 31st, 2023 to RMB 766,786,239 by June 30th, 2024. The company's total liabilities also rose from RMB 85,315,757 to RMB 215,613,714 in the same period, reflecting new convertible notes payable. Shareholders' equity increased, indicating a strong financial position for MicroCloud Inc. So we have MicroCloud Hologram that did it, I believe, last week. So what is going on with these stocks? Why are they moving in tandem? What is going on concurrently with them being around the same range, 26, 27? And so to me, I believe they're operating the same way. They got the same game plan, and MicroCloud has not released any kind of like notice that they're going to do a reverse split. But as I mentioned in my last video, they did get a NASDAQ alert that said, hey, you've been below $1, what's going on? And they have until, I believe, March 24th 2025 in order to get compliance back up, and then they'll be fine. Now some people are spectating a reverse split, but they have too much money on hand for that to happen. Now, it's a possibility. They can do that. Excuse me, allergies. They can do that, but I do not think that that's going to be in the cards right now. I think MicroCloud is a second to MicroCloud Holograms, and it would be interesting to see if they acquire, or somebody acquires somebody, maybe MicroCloud Hologram acquires MicroCloud, but I don't think that's a big enough news in order to move the needle. I think that with everything that they got going on, that would be gigantic, because you got these like a smaller company making substantial growth and another smaller company making substantial growth, but one's programming, one is AI, and I mean, it kind of makes sense, but at the same time, again, I don't know if that makes a splash that gets retail investors back into it, institutional investors, big money back into it. But right now, these companies, so far from what I've seen, they're not doing too bad. They're not moving in a bad movement. But when it comes down to MicroCloud Holograms, the question is what might happen tomorrow? And so this is my video before the big day. And my opinion is they're going to vote for a reverse split. Once they do, we might get news a little bit after the reverse split or before. That is a possibility. And again, the reverse split won't happen more than probably until that next week, or it might be early next week. If not next week, I can't tell you. I do not know. I'm lost. I think that unfortunately, with the money that the Chinese market is giving individuals, would they invest in the NASDAQ? It's possible. We have international people, investing into the NASDAQ. But, when it comes down to my thought process, again, I think this is a good opportune time, just like the beginning of September. I think that if you want to make money, if these companies want to make a splash, regardless of how they're trying to really move, this is a time to do it. So that's my timeline. With MicroCloud, the concerns with the reverse split, it does not really make sense to me, due to the fact that the reverse split can be done anytime. And the company is already showing improvement, so they just need the investors to back the stock and get it back above $1. I think that 20 cents for MicroCloud was its low, and if you bought it in there, you're sitting nice. I've seen people buy 10,000 shares at this level, so it is what it is. So these companies, I'm gonna say it, these two companies more than likely are about to blow. And I don't really like to get hyped. I don't like to get my hopes up, but it's about time. It's the right time. It's the best time. And so getting in at $1 level, I got in at $1.11, but I didn't buy a whole lot. I saw it go up, and then I saw it go all the way down. So when it comes down to it, people that bought it at 20 cents, you're winning, regardless. People that bought it at, didn't lower your average, didn't keep buying, and you're still sitting up high, you're just gonna be hoping. Now, it's great because they got buyers, big buyers at different levels. So, you just buy, sell, sell, 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 buy. So it's a shaking hands, and that's how we go to the roof. So the story has been interesting. Following me on X, I kind of use movies in order to portray what's going on throughout the day. Sometimes moods, gifts, or anything like that. it's been very interesting. A lot of people want Roaring Kitty to be the one that buys MicroAlgo or MicroCloud Holograms. Ultimately, he's an investor in a different sense. If I was Roaring Kitty, I would definitely probably be looked at and scrutinized because I made a penny stock go whoo. But I think it's about that time. I think that we waited. It's all about now letting the final few pieces on the chessboard be moved, and the people that got in early, let me know. Congratulations. I hope I'm not wrong, but I just want to say thank you. You know, if you got to this point of the video, just comment down below familia or anything that you feel in response to this. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I know that Holo is what brought us all together, and I appreciate each and every one of you that taking your time to watch me, a truck driver, cover a stock that has been very frustrating, but one of the most interesting rides I've ever been on. I want to say thank you guys, and I hope that not only Holo is what brings us together, but many more stocks in the future where we're able to keep on playing this game and know where we are. You know, this is a documentary. I documented all the levels, my ups, my downs, and expressed my feelings into it. And you know, the Discord is a comforting place because we have a lot of individuals that are sitting in the same spot, and you know, they want to kind of have their questions answered. And the thing is that the only person that can truly answer it is the stock market itself. When it moves up, it moves up. It's 8 o'clock right now, and MicroCloud Hologram is sitting at, let's see, 2684. 2684, so it finished quite high. MicroAlgo is sitting at 2649. We will see what happens tomorrow morning, and we will see what happens with this coming week and the decision that MicroCloud Hologram has for the future of its company, and hopefully we get news. Today was very interesting for the stock market between these two, and a lot of small caps. And so sometimes the little guy can win too. You just gotta have faith and you know, stick with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you made it to this part. I'll catch all of you familia de dinero in the next one. Adios.